When you think about the world around you, there are many names for people, places, and things. In this video, we will discuss the difference between common and proper nouns and easy ways to remember the difference between both. Let's review what a noun is. A noun is a person, place, or thing, and something that we can encounter every day. I want you to think of the word common as something that is very popular. For example, a car, house, cat, or dog, or even a restaurant are common things that we see every day. Proper nouns are specific. Instead of saying cat, we should call the cat Fido. Instead of saying man, we should call him by his name. Instead of saying house, we may say things like Mrs. Johnson's house. If the item or person has a name, it is a proper noun. You have to ask yourself, do you know the name? If there is a name, then it is a proper noun. First, let's take a closer look at common nouns. Common nouns are not specific person, places, or things. For example, cat, dog, man, woman, school are all common nouns. Look at the picture with the girl and her mom. I want you to pause the video and think of all the common nouns that are in the picture. Okay, now that you had a chance to pause the video and think about the picture, check your answers with these. Here are some of the common nouns: woman, girl, bed, pillow, and shirt. There may be more, but these are the most common ones that I was able to see. Now that you understand common nouns, let's look at proper nouns. A proper noun is a specific or exact person, place, or thing. Some examples include McDonald's, a doctor's title, Mr. or Mrs., the name of your pet, Presidents of the United States, Subway, or any specific restaurant. Even the names of mountains would be considered proper nouns, just like the picture of Mount Rushmore with George Washington and other presidents carved into the earth. Now that we understand common and proper nouns, let's practice. After each sentence, pause the video to see if you can come up with the answer. Which words are common and proper nouns? Our first sentence: Jamal's dog loves to run outside in the sprinklers. Pause the video to practice. Jamal is a proper noun. The common nouns are dog, outside, and sprinklers. Remember, a common noun is general and a proper noun is specific. Let's try another example. I went to Lincoln High School with my best friend, LaToya. Pause the video to see if you can come up with the common and proper nouns. Okay, so the proper noun in this example is Lincoln High School and LaToya because it is a specific place and person. The common nouns are friend and high school. High school would be considered a common noun by itself if it did not have a name. Now it's time for our second example. My favorite author is J.K. Rowling because she wrote the Harry Potter series. Try this example on your own by pausing the video. Okay, now that you had time to pause the video, how did you do? What common noun did you come up with? So the common noun in this sentence is author. The proper nouns are J.K. Rowling and Harry Potter. I hope you now understand the difference between common and proper nouns. Here are some tips to help you remember and identify common and proper nouns more easily. Ask yourself if you know the name of the person, place, or thing. If you do, it is a proper noun. Did you notice anything during the practice time of this video? The proper nouns are capitalized. Use a capital letter with proper nouns for states, cities, countries, towns, people, and specific places. I want to thank you for watching this video on common and proper nouns, and I hope you understand it now. Please like and subscribe for other awesome animated videos.